Hello everyone, welcome to Pharmajobs YouTube channel. So today in this video you are going to see important job update for freshers from Lyfius Pharma. So this company is currently hiring for the following roles that we are going to discuss later in this video, and before that, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So coming to the vacancy details, so they are hiring for their API divisions at Kakinada, Andhra Pradesh. Means Lyfius Pharma is hiring for their Greenfield project API division. And coming to the vacancies, so there are vacancies in fermentation production department, maintenance, production extraction, and production API departments. For fermentation production, MSc or Btech Biotechnology candidates 0 to 1 years of relevant experience is required. For maintenance department, ITA fitted or electrical with 8 to 10 years of experience, and for production extraction, diploma or Btech chemical engineering candidates are required 0 to 1 years, and in production API department, MSc or BSc candidates with 3 to 15 years of relevant experience. And scan the QR code with your Google Lens. Friends, how to apply for this job opportunity? After scanning the QR code, you will be provided with this Google Forms link. So Lyfius Pharma Private Limited. So here you can see they are looking for fermentation production, maintenance, production extraction, and production API, bachelor's or master in science. So coming to the process, so they have given their official LinkedIn and WhatsApp channel groups also. So here you can see required details: your gender, your name, phone number, date of birth, email ID, address, current location, and you select your educational qualification, whatever it is. If you are MSc you can select, Bachelor of Technology, Btech you can select, like that. And stream you can select Master of Science or Bachelor of Technology, and your current organization. If there is no, if you are a fresher, you can keep NA here. NA means not applicable. And experience, you can mention your experience. As your fresher, you click fresher. And your current designation is also, you can keep fresh, NA if you are a fresher. And current CTC, if you are experienced, you can keep it, or else you can keep NA. And also your expected CTC, how much you are expecting from the company. Suppose you are at least 3 lakh CTC, you can keep it here. And notice period immediate, if your company has a 3 months policy, 90 days, like that. If you have experience, keep yes. So as you're a fresher, no experience, you can keep no. As a fresher, you are not working in any of the companies, right? So you can keep no reference. If you have any, then you need to submit the application, they will get back to you, my dear friends. So this is the application process for applying at Lyfius Pharma Private Limited.